Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the iPad is unlocked and has a little power available. The process needs at least a tiny charge. Once ready, tap the Settings app icon and scan the left column for battery. You don't need to close apps first, just go straight to battery. As you open that pane, look for low power mode near the top. This is where the toggle lives. Make sure you can clearly see the switch before moving to the next step. Now you'll turn low power mode off. You see a toggle labeled low power mode. If it's green, the feature is on. Tap that toggle once to switch it off. You should immediately see the green disappear. Once done, the iPad will resume normal background activity like mail fetch and visual effects. Make sure to watch the battery percentage and notice smoother animations. Those changes confirm the mode is truly off and the system is running at full performance. Finish by confirming the toggle stays off and the device behaves normally. Apps update and animations return. If the switch won't change or it flips back on, restart the iPad. Hold the top button and a volume button, slide to power off, then power back on and try again. Make sure the device is running a recent iPad OS. If problems persist, update the OS or contact Apple support. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most stuck toggle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.